Hey there, savvy homeowners. Let's debunk a common myth in the world of real estate. The idea that all improvements and repairs automatically improve your home's value. Spoiler alert, it's not that simple. First off, let's talk ROI, aka return on investment. Sure, some upgrades like a swanky new kitchen or an extra bathroom can give you a bang for your buck, but not every renovation is a cash cow. Your ROI depends on factors like your local market and the quality of the work. And watch out for over-improvement. It's like wearing a tuxedo to a backyard barbecue. Sometimes it's just too much. Adding luxury features in a modest neighborhood, you might not get back what you put in. Now, here's the real deal. Maintenance versus improvement. Fixing that leaky roof or busted HVAC system? Necessary, yes, but don't expect them to magically boost your home's resale value. They're like the veggies in your real estate salad, essential for upkeep, but not the main course. Let's talk personal preferences. Your funky paint colors or quirky design choices might be your jam, but they might not be everyone's cup of tea. Remember, what floats your boat might sink someone else's. Market conditions are key players too. In a buyer's market where supply outweighs demand, buyers might not be willing to fork over extra costs for renovations. But in a seller's market, turnkey homes can fetch top dollar. Location, location, location. It's not just a mantra, it's the gospel truth in real estate. Your home's value hinges more on its zip code than its granite countertops. Amenities, schools, and neighborhood vibe, they're the real MVPs. Last but not least, appraisals and pricing. Even if you've poured blood, sweat, and tears into renovations, the appraised value might not reflect your hard work. And pricing your home right is crucial. You can have all the upgrades in the world, but if you're aiming for the stars in a down-to-earth neighborhood, you might miss the mark. So there you have it, folks. Not all improvements are created equal, but with a little know-how and some savvy decision-making, you can boost your home's value without breaking the bank. Until next time, happy home improving.